Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you fix the account restriction setting error whenever you try to load up Roblox or try to load up a game. So without further ado, let's get right onto it. So in order to fix this issue, let's go on over to the settings or gear icon here. Go over to the settings here, and once you are here, you just have to go over to privacy and make sure that account restrictions are disabled. This account restrictions option or setting is set to disable like there. Make sure it is not green lit like that, and there, make sure it is disabled. And over here, under communication, make sure that it is set to everyone, either everyone or friends. Just make sure that it is not set to no one like this one. So make sure either friends or everyone. So just enter your pin if you have one. So there, that will work. And also here on other settings, make sure it is set to um, either friends or everyone or any other settings except to no one. So there guys, so I'll just go ahead and set this one to friends and everyone here. Or you can also set this to no one if you want. So okay guys, those are the ways on how you can fix this issue. All you have to do here is just refresh your Roblox here under the discover here and see if that worked for you. Okay, thank you for watching and goodbye.